Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I had come up with another cleaning video. How to clean a messy bathroom. Let's move to have a look at the bathroom. Here I am just opening a door. But before proceeding, if you are new to the channel or not subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell button icon for latest and upcoming videos. Friends, here you can see my bathroom is totally in a bad shape and looks very messy. Because I have a borewell water connection supply, hence I have to do a regular touch-up and deep cleaning once in a week. I had skipped my last schedule due to that it is into a bad shape. So let's move to the cleaning. For cleaning, I need certain equipment which is required. I had taken a micro wipe cloth red and micro wipe cloth blue. I had maintained color code, but you can use as per your availability. And a toilet brush with bowl and nylon hand brush for corner cleaning. Scotch-Brite for hard stain removing, steam cleaner for disinfection, and Harpic bathroom cleaner. Firstly, we'll open the window for a fresh air. We'll ventilate so that bad odors goes out. Close the lid, flush the water. Then, with the help of a toilet brush, push the water inside and reveal a normal water line. Here you can see a yellow water line which has came from the flush tank. Then I am applying a Harpic bathroom cleaner. We'll keep it for 10 to 15 minutes for detergent to work on applied structure and close the lid. Meanwhile, we'll clean the outer area of WC. Once outer part is done, we'll start cleaning inside WC with the help of a toilet brush. Finally, with the help of a Scotch-Brite, we'll clean under the rim or any hard stains on WC. And flush the water. Now, we'll clean the outer area with water. Then, with the help of steam cleaner, we'll disinfect WC. And wiping with dry duster so that it won't leave watermarks. Now we'll move to clean other areas with the help of steam cleaner and Harpic bathroom cleaner. Steam cleaner will help to kill the bacteria, as there are various types of bacteria like MRSA, E. coli, etc., which are invisible to the naked eye but can cause various infection and disease. We'll clean the fixtures and also sanitize them. Lastly, we'll wipe out with a dry duster so that watermarks doesn't remain in the wall. Friends, finally I am end up with my hectic day, which is none other than a cleaning day. And it took 4 hours to deep clean my bathroom. You can have a look after cleaning taps, walls, corner of the bathroom, flush water tank, then WC, and my bathroom is completely clean and sanitized. I have my own schedules which are divided into a section wise. If you want to know more detail, please comment in comment section so that I can share the link in the description box. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share to others. If you need more details on this, please comment in comment section. We'll catch you back on my next video. See you soon.